Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix headset microphone echo on Windows 10. To get started, you want to locate your speaker icon on your desktop and right click, and then you want to choose Open Sound Settings. Once you're here, you want to go down, alright, and look for related settings. Mine is located here, okay? And then under it, you want to look for Sound Control Panel and click on it. So once this opens, you want to click on Recording and then click on Stereo Mix, and then you want to click on Properties. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on Listen. This is the reason why you are experiencing the echo, all right? So once you uncheck, you want to go ahead and click on Apply and then OK, all right? And that's going to fix the echo you are experiencing with your headset microphone, okay? And once you've applied, you want to go ahead and hit OK. You want to also hit OK here. Guys, this is how to fix headset microphone echo on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.